If you're seeing an MSN or Microsoft password reset error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can get you back into your account fast. This issue usually happens when the page crashes while processing your request, or when Microsoft detects unusual browser activity and blocks the reset from going through properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, open a private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time to open an incognito or private window. This helps bypass background cookies, cache data, and browser sessions that may be interfering with the reset page. Once the private window opens, go directly to the Microsoft password reset page and try again from there. Don't start from old tabs or saved pages if you can avoid it, because a fresh session often solves the problem immediately. If the error still appears, the next thing to try is changing your network. If you're using home Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch to cellular data on your smartphone. Then try the password reset again. Microsoft can sometimes flag a network as suspicious or temporary browser activity as unusual, so switching connections can make a big difference. You can also try a different device if needed, but in many cases, simply changing from Wi-Fi to mobile data is enough. Now, if Microsoft says it sent a code to your alternate email or mobile phone, but you still don't see anything, there are a couple of things to check. If the code was sent by email, open your junk or spam folder first. A lot of verification messages get filtered there automatically, so this is one of the most common reasons people think the code was never sent. Also, make sure your email client is not blocking messages from the @accountprotection.microsoft.com domain. If that domain is blocked or filtered, Microsoft's security codes may never show up in your inbox. If you're using a phone number instead, double check that the number is still active and able to receive messages. Sometimes a simple delay can also happen, so wait a minute or two before requesting another code. The most important thing is to keep each step clean and patient, because repeated failed attempts can sometimes cause more temporary blocks. So to recap, start with a private window, go straight to the Microsoft password reset page, switch networks if needed, and then check your spam or blocked sender settings if the code doesn't arrive. These steps solve most MSN and Microsoft reset problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.